To explore the strange world of carnivorous plants here in San Diego, the San Diego Botanic Garden, bringing entertainment and education into their space through the end of the month. CBS 8's Evan Narani paying them a visit in this week's Earth 8 report.
Head to the San Diego Botanic Garden in Encinitas this month and you'll notice something different. In their Savage Gardens exhibit, a wetland has been crafted showing you the intricate and sometimes bizarre world of carnivorous or killer plants.
So you'll see a Nepenthes pitcher plant that you can climb inside of and pretend like you're an insect that's been stuck inside. You can hear what it sounds like maybe if you are a fly trapped inside. You can walk through a wetland and look at where these plants would naturally occur, and right now it's a little bit spooky for Halloween, so there's some fun bat skeletons and other things to explore in the place. We've got some large terrariums, some small terrariums just to mimic what their habitat might look like, and some other larger sculptures just to see what these plants would look like if you were the size of an insect.
And it's a delicate balance not only in nature to find these plants, but to bring the fun and science together to show visitors how these plants work in nature.
We want to attract people into the beauty and wonder of plants and the environment, and also hopefully have them with a takeaway of why these plants are important, what role do they serve, what's some unique factor, like some of these pitcher plants can capture a rodent, for example, just something that sticks with us, because the things that we really relate to and connect to, we care about, and what we care about, we protect. And so for us, it's really a mix of entertainment, the aesthetics and beauty and kind of fun and excitement of it, but also leaving with some takeaways.
The Venus flytrap is perhaps the most well-known carnivorous plant. It also has one of the fastest movements of a plant ever recorded.
But go ahead and touch some of these gooey parts and then slowly pull your hand away to see how sticky. Look at that. So imagine being a little insect. You're not going to
No, you're not going
avoid
anywhere. The exhibit comes at a crucial time for wetlands where these plants are found. The EPA estimates that of the 220 million acres of wetlands found in the continental U.S. hundreds of years ago, more than half have been drained and converted to other uses.
When that habitat is lost, these plants can't live anywhere else. They have to have a wetland. And so they're displaced, and that's pretty much the end of the line for many of these species. And not only when one species becomes extinct, there's also secondary extinctions, which means if you lose one species, the other species dependent on it for food or for habitat, they are then threatened and also often become extinct. So it just kind of sets off a chain of problems that can happen and have very wide-reaching impacts.
You can visit the traveling showcase through October 29th, and while you're there, enjoy the Fall Festival beginning on October 12th. In Encinitas, Evan Narani, CBS 8.